Whenever it comes to Boxcutter and duplicating booleans, if we were to basically draw a shape, but we hold shift in order to shift it to live, underneath the orientation area, there's an option for the bc.transformer. By having this enabled, by shift clicking and dragging on a handle, you're able to duplicate booleans along a mesh and keep the connections live. And this also extends to radial arrays. So starting on this side, I'm just going to draw out a box and we'll press VV in order to turn this into a radial array. And we'll also shift this to live. If I were to hold shift and drag this gizmo, we see that we're also able to duplicate this radial array for reuse. If I wanted to absolutely position this along this particular face, that's where HardOps would come in. I could press Q, go under Mesh Tools, choose Reset Axis, and we could press Y and Z in order to reset the axis for this particular object, allowing us to get it oriented correctly with this particular area. But just want to show that bc.transformer is there in case you need it, but it's one of our older, lesser used aspects of Boxcutter, so definitely turn it off when you're not using it. And it also supports union, so if we were to say draw a shape, press J to turn it into a join, press B to bevel, press Q to Q bevel, maybe shift F to give us a reverse bevel, we can shift this to live and also use the bc.transformer in order to duplicate this union operation as well. So just showing a little bit of the versatility that comes with the bc.transformer. Improvements have been made with it over time, but it's definitely there for you in the event that you want to duplicate your booleans.